Audible released their new cheapest Audible plan called Audible Standard. There's a link in the description that will take you to this page where you can try it free for 30 days, and then it's only $8.99 per month after that. So the difference between Standard and Premium Plus. On Premium Plus, you get a credit per month. You also get that credit per month on Standard. The difference is that Standard credits don't roll over, so you have to pick a book each month, whereas Premium Plus, those credits will build up and roll over until you want to choose the books that you want. Now, the other difference is on Premium Plus, you get to keep those books and listen to them even if you cancel your account. Standard, you just have those books while you have your Standard account. If you cancel, they're locked until you go back on one of these subscription services, and then those unlock and you're able to listen to that content again. So as long as you have the Standard membership, which is $8.99 per month and actually starts with a 30-day free trial on that landing page, you can listen to these books and you can pick one book per month, and it's definitely the cheapest plan that Audible has at $8.99 per month. You can try Standard for free just by clicking that button. It'll take you to the checkout page, and then you just put in your details and you can check out. And so as long as you remember, you can listen to those books. If you want, you can try Premium Plus for a 30-day free trial, and then you get those credits as well. And if you're a Prime member, you likely get 2 credits for that first month, I believe. So you get an extra credit. So sign up to be Amazon Prime. There's a free 6-month trial in the description down below. Or if you already have Prime, you can sign up with that too. I don't know if that's also true for the Standard membership. Standard's probably just 1 audiobook credit per month. Premium Plus is probably where you get that extra credit if you're a Prime member. But that's Audible Standard, and that is how you can sign up and get the cheapest Audible membership. Link in the description, and it'll take you to this landing page where you can read about it and sign up for that free 30-day trial.